Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you like fragrance, makeup, skincare, real people and real talk, definitely subscribe to my channel. So I'm finally doing my review on Ambrosia Imperiale by Navitus and my girl AI the Great. So y'all, I hesitated to do this review because I was like, I don't want to be biased, you know, because it's my girl, but you know, I don't know. But after wearing the fragrance, I was like, girl, I ain't gotta be biased because she did that. So first, let's get into the packaging, which I'm sure you guys have already seen. This is the sleeve that comes on the box. It's nice and sleek, and black and gold is always a vibe, okay? Then you have the box, okay, giving us all types of luxury. You take this off like that. Nice packaging as far as the box goes, especially for people that like to keep their packaging and keep their fragrances in the packaging like this, where they sit in a nice little bed like so. So I personally like this bottle better than the recent Navitus releases that I have seen. This one just gives grown up luxury. You know, this is just really nice and just sleek and chic, and it just looks so good with the rest of my bottles. Like, I really like this bottle design. As y'all can see, I have me a little dent, okay, and this was done the first 2 days of getting the fragrance. I was like, oh, I'm wearing this, honey, okay? Let's get into the tea of the fragrance, though. She said that she was going to give us a fragrance with banana, and we was like, okay, banana, okay, that's different, you know. I don't have nothing in my collection with banana. And she said, y'all not gonna have nothing in y'all collection like this. Did she lie? No, she didn't. Because I have nothing in my collection that smells like this. She said she was going to give us a fragrance where the banana lived throughout the fragrance. She did not miss on that. The banana absolutely lives throughout the fragrance. She gave us an edible gourmand, but it's still a wearable perfume. So it's got the edible concept in there with the banana, the whipped cream, the caramel, the vanilla. Like, it has all of that vibe in there, but it has a sexiness. It's the saffron for me. She wasn't lying. It's a saffron for me. I'm a saffron lover. I love saffron, but the saffron is what turned this to sexy, okay? That's what it did. I feel like it's just sweet enough. It's not sickeningly sweet. It's just sweet enough, and the rum gives it a booziness. For me, the booziness also lives throughout the fragrance for me as well. This is absolutely a unisex scent to me. I don't feel like it leans more masculine or more feminine. I feel like whoever wears it is gonna have it on. You know what I'm saying? They're gonna wear it. You know what I mean? When I first got it, sprayed it on my arm, my man was like, that shit smell good. I was like, I know, right? He was like, I think I can wear that too. I was like, I feel like you could too. This would smell good on you too. So I love that she gave us a fragrance that anybody can wear. As far as projection, sillage, and longevity, it ticks all the boxes. The longevity was absolutely there. I had this on first, so the first day I wore it, I got dressed. We was going on a day. I got dressed about 2 p.m. and this was my scent of the day, and I knew we were going into night. And that's another thing too. I feel like this is a good transition fragrance. You can go from day into night, and it's a good seasonal transition fragrance because I feel like you can wear it in the warmer weather and absolutely wear it in the cooler weather too. So that's another thing about it. But yeah, so I had it on from 2 p.m. and then about 8 p.m. I could still smell it on my clothes, and when I put my arm up to my nose up to my skin, I could still smell it on me, and I didn't have to dig my nose into my skin, if that makes sense. So I definitely still smelled it on me. I wore a unscented lotion that day because I just wanted to get the full effect of the fragrance, and the fragrance, it did what it was supposed to do. I feel like it had nice sillage. When you walk past someone, they will smell you. I mean, I didn't get no compliments on it, but I knew I smelled good, okay? The next day I wore it, and I wore it specifically just for date night, and for some reason it was a little more turned up. I don't know what it was, but it turned into a nice sexy date night fragrance that night when I wore it, and it was giving me even more. I don't know if the saffron was like, okay, it's a date night, turn up, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, but it was even sexier the next night. I feel like this is a fragrance you can't wear anywhere, but I feel like this is when you going somewhere. It doesn't have to be anywhere super formal or fancy, but you're actually going somewhere. You're going to a winery, you're going to a a show, a concert, you're going on date night, like you're actually going somewhere. Can you wear this to go run errands? Absolutely you can, but for why? This needs to be out and about doing real luxury shit, you know what I'm saying? Man, this just smells so good. Like I said, the banana absolutely lives throughout the fragrance for sure. The saffron gives it a sexiness. It's the perfect amount of sweetness and edibleness to where it's a gourmand, but so wearable. And then that booziness kind of gives it a little sexiness too. Like, girl, She did that. I was scared of the Divana because I ain't really no Divana fan or like that, but I don't even smell the Divana. Like, it don't smell it at all in here. And I feel like them dates gave it something too. It gave it like a thick sweetness. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's a thick fragrance, if that makes sense. It's not light and airy. It has a little, she been cornbread fed. You know what I'm saying? She got a little thickness to it. It's not syrupy thick, but it's like honey thick. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. It's like a smooth thickness. Man, it smells good. It's been sitting on my shelf line for a couple weeks now because I wore it as soon as I got it. But girl, now I smell it again. I'm ready to pull it back out. See, that's when I saw it then. I was like, girl. Another thing too is the price on this was A1. Okay, if you got the 30% off, I don't know if they still have the 30% off, but with the 30% off, like, the price of this is A1, and you getting 125 mLs in here. Like, girl, this bottle is definitely worth the price. Absolutely. Like, for the amount of product that you're getting and the quality of the product, I feel like she did what she was supposed to do. She did not let us down. She announced that she coming out with a body cream, and I believe it goes with this. So will I be getting it? Yeah. Okay. And she said she coming out with a fall fragrance. Like, girl, I'm all the way here for it. Shout out to her for just, first of all, making Black history, because she was the first Black woman to even have a fragrance with Navitus. Okay, kudos for that. And she's going to be the first person, period, to do a body cream with them. Like, she's setting trends out here. Okay, the girl is doing what she's supposed to do, and I'm here for it. To sum everything up, do I recommend this fragrance? I absolutely recommend this fragrance. I think this is a great all-around fragrance as far as performance, quality, the amount of product you get, the longevity, the performance, everything. I feel like this is a great fragrance. The fact that anyone can wear this, man, woman, child, boy, dog, whoever wants to wear this, they can wear it and smell good. Okay, so I think this is a great all-around fragrance, and I absolutely recommend that y'all purchase this. I don't know if her sale is still going on, but even at full price, this is worth it. This is worth it because you are getting what you paid for. So hopefully that was a good review. I don't feel like I was being biased. I was keeping it 100 because she did what she said she was gonna do. So I didn't even have to be biased just because that's my girl. I just told the truth about the fragrance. So even if it wasn't her, the truth is the truth is the truth about the fragrance. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.